Once upon a time, in a lush green meadow, lived a groundhog named Grub. Grub was known far and wide for his insatiable appetite. He was always hungry, always wanting more. One day, Grub spotted a beautiful, juicy red strawberry growing on a nearby bush. His eyes gleamed with greed as he thought, "If I eat that strawberry, I will be the happiest groundhog in the meadow." With a determined strut, Grub made his way towards the strawberry bush. As he reached out to pluck the strawberry, he noticed a tiny, old, wise tortoise sitting on a nearby rock. "Why, hello there, Grub," the tortoise said, his voice as soft as the rustling leaves. "You seem very determined to eat that strawberry." Grub, not one to be deterred, replied, "Of course. It's the sweetest strawberry in the meadow. I must have it." The wise tortoise nodded and said, "But Grub, have you ever thought about the consequences of your greed? What if, by taking that strawberry, you upset the balance of the meadow? What if, by being so self-centered, you lose the friendship and respect of the other animals?" Grub paused, considering the tortoise's words. He had never thought about the consequences of his actions. He had always been so focused on his own desires that he had never stopped to consider the impact he was having on others. In the end, Grub decided to leave the strawberry alone. He realized that while it was tempting, the joy of having the strawberry was not worth the potential harm he could cause to the meadow and his fellow creatures. From that day forward, Grub learned to be more thoughtful and considerate. He became a beloved member of the meadow, respected by all for his wisdom and compassion. He was no longer just the groundhog who always wanted more, but the groundhog who truly cared about the well-being of the meadow and its inhabitants. And so, the tale of Grub the greedy groundhog serves as a reminder to us all. Greed may seem appealing in the moment, but it is not worth the harm it can cause to those around us. Instead, let's strive to be more thoughtful, compassionate, and considerate in our actions, and in doing so, find true happiness and fulfillment.